Ito yung sunscreen na Glass Skin and Radiant yung finish. And this is from Round Lab na Birch Juice Moisturizer Sunscreen. So, it's very moisturizing compared to other sunscreen. And very lightweight and hindi rin siya malagkit sa face. As you can see, very radiant and glass skin finish siya compared to other side. Hindi siya malagkit. Meron na siyang SPF 50 PA+++. And maganda ito sa mga dry skin since nag-add siya ng hydration and nakaka-moisturize siya ng skin. And ang mura lang niya dito sa TikTok. Since at Watsons is nasa 1,000 plus tong ganito. O diba, lalong kumintab yung face ko and very healthy looking siya. Ayan, after ko mag-apply ng sunscreen.